Hello everyone, I am Gayashan Bandar and I am going to give my presentation about domestic trade. Based on my main topic, I divided my content into these subtopics. First one is introduction, second one is retail trade, third one is characteristics of retail trade, fourth one is wholesale trade, fifth one is characteristics of wholesale trade. So, shall we discuss? The first subtopic is introduction. Trading activities that occur among different parties within a country are domestic trade. In domestic trade, payments can be made in the currency used in that country. Domestic trade occurs in different ways. The first one is retail trade. The second one is wholesale trade. The second subtopic is retail trade. Retail trade means selling goods and services for final consumption. Example, when a student buys the required exercise books from the school. The person who carries out retail trade is known as a retailer. Characteristic of retail trade. The first one is selling goods and services for final consumption. The second one is supplying required goods in required quantities at the required time to consumers. Third one is close proximity to consumers. The next one is retail shops are available in any area in order to facilitate consumers to fulfill their needs. Retail shops are located closely to consumers. The last one is providing a variety of goods. The fourth subtopic is wholesale trade. Purchase of goods with the purpose of reselling is called wholesale trade. A seller who engages in wholesale trading activities is known as a wholesaler. Examples: selling 50 kilograms of rice to a retailer. Characteristics of wholesale trade. The first one is purchasing goods for the purpose of reselling. Second one is often selling large quantities of goods in one transaction. Third one is selling a few selected items. Fourth one is unit selling price is relatively low. The last one is providing trade discounts, reducing a certain percentage from the listed price of goods in a sale. So, thank you.